Hi, this is Lily from LOM. This is my good friend and
Jose.
he owned a factory named Jose. Yeah.
Yes, glad to meet you guys. My name's Jose. I'm with the Modest Co. It's my good friend Lolly. Making beautiful machines.
Yeah. For the air fresher.
Yes, yes.
And this machine have you do I think per hour how many can do?
I think right now when we do our sprays in there, we can do roughly probably around 600 sprays an hour, and that's running the machine really relaxed. We're not running it anywhere near to its full capacity. Yeah, so right now we're still teaching people, we're still fine tuning it, we're getting better and better with it, but I mean, it was probably the best investment we made all last year.
I feel very happy for
No, thank you, you've helped us quite a lot.
LOM people always want to solve the problem.
Well, I definitely see us getting a few more of these the way everything keeps going, so I see at least another 2 or 3 in our future for the year to come, plus a few other machines, so.
And if some guy want to white label, what should you tell them?
Of course, we do white labeling as well. So anything with candle manufacturing, spray or liquid manufacturing, we can take care of.
That's great. Any suggestions in the future you want to
Us keep making amazing machines, and we're going to keep buying them, and I think we're going to have a long business relationship.
Yeah.
And thank you for your trust. You also all the bottles, labels, and the contents from us too.
Everything. You're a one-stop shop for everything we need, A to Z.
Yeah, from A to Z. I'm just confused why you choose LOM.
Honestly, when I first found you online, you were very easy to talk to and communicative, and you understood.
Yeah, I remember you are recommended by another friend.
Yes.
Also by the electric feeding line.
Yes, he bought a few different lines for me. He recommended. He's like, no, this is the easiest person to talk with out there. It makes everything super simple. Always gets the job done. Always delivers.
Thank you. Wish our relationship will be very long.
Very long and successful.
I wish you are lifelong friends.
Yes, no, we are lifelong friends, Lily.
Yeah,
Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay.